How's the sound? What's up viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel Catch a Mile. This is Gautam. Guys, last week I wasn't feeling that great, so I couldn't record anything, and that's why there was no uploads last week. Anyways, now I'm feeling a lot better. So we are going to Moto Armour, which is in Whitefield, some Aria Hub Mall or something. I'm going to buy the Rhinox jacket there. It's showing another 15 minutes. Oh, they're catching for not wearing the mask. So yeah guys, I thought okay, today is a Sunday, so I think I'll be uploading this on a Wednesday. And yeah, today is a Sunday. I didn't go out for any ride also, so I thought okay, let me drive till Whitefield. At least it's around 30 kilometers. The jacket which I have now, it's a winter jacket. 1 second. Yeah guys, so the jacket which I have now, it's the Alpinestars T-Jaws WP waterproof jacket. So it gets a little warm inside when I'm wearing it. That's the reason I need to get a textile mesh jacket now. So we're going to go get the Rhinox. Okay, we are near Phoenix Market City. This is Phoenix Market City. It's one of the biggest malls in Bangalore. And right beside that there is which is that? I forgot the name. I forgot the name guys. There's another mall right beside that. So we are going to Aria Hub Mall. There are many other Rhinox dealers near my house itself, but I wanted to check out this place because I saw it in Bullu Biker's vlog. So I thought okay, let me come here, see how the place is, and yeah, let's go there guys. 1 o'clock to 2 o'clock is their lunch break, so it's 12:30 now. We'll have to wait for 1.5 hours. Anyways, it's going to take another 20 minutes to reach, so we'll have lunch and then we'll go check out the place and buy our new riding jacket for the upcoming rides. Let's go. So guys, this is the third or the fourth time that I'm coming to this part of the city, Whitefield area. We don't have any work here, so I usually don't come this side, but today I wanted to check out how this part of the town is, so that's the reason I'm coming here. And you'll be knowing Deepu from Deepu Vlogs DV, so he also stays close by. We'll see. I'll call him once I finish my work, and if he's free we'll go talk to him. It's been a long time since I've met him also, since his accident. So I'll call him, and if he's free, let's go meet him. And if possible, we'll go see my bike also, the ZX10RR. It's not my bike anymore. It's officially DV's bike now. The bike is transferred, all the paperwork is done. So if possible, we'll go see the ZX10RR again. And he has installed the Arrow exhaust, I think. Yeah, Arrow exhaust. Okay guys, change of plans now. Since Moto Armour is closed from 1 to 2, it's their lunch break. We're going to go visit DV now. We'll go check out the bike first. I've called him, he's free, he's at his place. So he's going to send me the location to his house. We'll go check it out and then we'll go to Moto Armour. Super excited because I'll be seeing my bike after, not my bike, sorry. I'll be seeing the ZX10RR after the location is here. After 7 months, I think, 6 or 7 months. So, and he says it's just 5 or 10 minutes away from where I am. Guys, DV is here. What's up?
What's up guys? Gautam is in DV script today.
So guys, look at this. DV is 1 lakh subscribers plaque, YouTube plaque button.
Yeah,
Play button, na plaque.
Yeah. It's actually silver play button that you receive for 1 lakh subs. That's the milestone.
Hoping I also get this soon.
Yeah, you will.
I'll keep it here. Now he has named the ZX10RR the Black Tiger. Let's go check that out down.
So Gautam is turning on the Black Tiger.
Why Black Tiger, bro?
Tiger is my favorite animal.
Okay.
And the bike is black, so I had no other options.
ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ.
ಬೇಡ ಬೇಡ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬೈಕೋತಾರ ಬೇಡ. How many kilometers have you ridden?
It's almost 7,500 now, I think.
Huh?
When you gave, it was
2.5 or 2,800.
that much I've ridden. Yeah. When you gave, it was 4,000 change.
4,000 change?
4,000.
No. 3,000 something.
No, 4,000 change only.
4,000.
Yeah, even in the service it's there.
Okay.
Yeah.
So after you got it, you have done 3,000 more.
Correct.
How is it?
Awesome, bro. No doubts about it. It's 10RR flagship. What can I say?
Okay guys, there you go. This is the 10RR, the Black Tiger, Deepu's bike now. So I'll be leaving now. I'll go to Motor Armor, get the Rhinox jacket and then go back almost 30 kilometers. So bye bye DB. Thank you so much.
Thanks a lot for giving me such a beautiful bike.
Yeah,
It's one of a kind. It's not easily available. So
There's only I think 8 bikes in India now.
Yeah, almost
8 or 9.
8. That's it. In Bangalore, I think only 3 to 4 max.
I'm definitely not going to get a Super Sport anymore. So
Why is that? You don't like it?
I can't ride it because of the lower back pain.
Okay.
And in our Indian roads it's not safe, and I need not ask anyone else.
Of course, with the experience that we've gone through,
Yeah.
it's definitely not safe.
Okay guys, I'll see you then. Bye bye DV.
Bye bye.
That is Motor Armor. Let's go and get the jacket. So guys, we came to 6,000 miles to Isle of Man because they didn't have my size there. I needed a large, so here they have it. Let's go buy it now. And this was the only store where I got the large size, and this is the jacket. This is the Rhinox Stealth Evo, and the price is somewhere over here, 12,950 rupees. So almost 13,000 rupees, and they have a pretty good collection of everything here. So yeah, finally got the jacket. Now let's leave. Okay guys, I'll be ending the vlog here. If you've liked the video, please make sure to hit that subscribe button and also give this video a thumbs up. I'll see you guys in the next one. Until then, take care. Bye bye.